Praise God. Peace reflection. What's up, Big Dread? I'm on the True Tube. We got a page on there. We're uploading our videos on your website. If you guys don't know, Big Dread got a new website so we can stop being blocked. All us True speakers. It's called True TRUU Tube TUBE. I would advise y'all to go on there because I'm going to be going live on there too. I'm going to be using that website a lot because I know they ready to block me on here. So I'm going to start transferring y'all to that website. It's called TRUUTube.com. It's the new wave. That's where I'm going to be. Letting y'all know that I'm going to be going live on there. My videos is getting uploaded onto there like on YouTube. It's just like YouTube. Dude, you did a really good website. That joint is hard. Like, it feels just like YouTube. That's crazy. It's like, wow, I'm really impressed. I'm going to pin it. I'm going to pin it at the end of this video, but I wanted to pin this topic because this is where we're going to go. This is what we're going to talk about this rising. Right? There it is, TrueTube.com. I'm going to pin it at the end because I want to address a couple of things first. Can you make sure everybody's off the Wi-Fi so I can have a clear connection? TrueTube with 2 U's. That's where I'm going to be going live. Hey Tron, what's our name on there? Cause he's my web guy. We set it all up. Master Chief.
Yep, Master Chief.
On TrueTube.
Yep.
Master Chief. It should be Carbonation TV soon. We're gonna change it. Can you change it to Carbonation TV?
Yep.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Gotcha.
It's gonna be changed to Carbonation TV. That's what I told him to do the first time. But I'm gonna be going live on there, y'all. Support the fam. And Big Dread, he's about that. Big Dread 305, he created the site, and it's really dope. Like, for real, it's really dope. So I'm about to be uploading all my videos on there because let me tell you something. The more truth you speak, the more you get shut down. And I could clearly feel that my days are short on social media because my PayPal's been shut down. My Facebook has been shut down where I had like 80,000 people following me on Facebook. Like 80,000, like going on to be 90,000. Like it was like 89,000. You know what I'm saying? People follow me. And because people group up together, they can get you shut down. And so my WhatsApp, literally my WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is in social media, can get shut down. Anytime a group of people come together and complain about you at the same time, they can get you shut down. Whether you right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Because these people, these major websites basically feed off the people and advertisement. So if they complain about you being something wrong, they don't care. They will block you. If a whole bunch of people say you're not supposed to be there because it's a community, they'll block you. They don't even ask questions. They'll just take you down. They won't even investigate because there's too many people. So if a whole bunch of people on these major websites come together and say, hey, we don't like this person, they'll just take you down. Because of advertisements, they have certain rules and certain regulations that they can't. So we need a website where a secret one, where we can basically, not a secret one, but the private one. Like, in TrueTube, TRUU Tube is where I'm going to be going live. And I want all of y'all to catch my lives and start following me on there. It's going to be Carbonation TV. That's what it's about to be after this live. We're going to change it. Right now it's Master Chief. But make sure y'all add that shit up because I'm tired of getting blocked. I know I'm not going to get blocked for my content on here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be going live on there. I'm going to be transferring people over there to TrueTube. I just can't wait till he get the app because the app make it more simple. And I know he's working on that. He said, try come off the Wi-Fi, mate. Everybody off the Wi-Fi, please. No, it's TrueTube. TruuTube. 2 U's. TrueTube. And so we gonna go on there and create. I want everybody to go on there and create, a profile. It's not a phone app. It's actually a website, and that's the thing that's gonna be. It's in a transitional stage. He's gonna be making an app, but for right now, get on there and start putting content on there and transferring your stuff on there, because if you like me, you don't want to continue to get blocked. And I even get blocked on here all the time. So I got like 3 backup pages on here, and I'm gonna be putting my stuff on there. And he basically got a YouTube, you know what I'm saying? TrueTube, yeah. No, it's with 2 U's, damn. What's wrong with y'all, yo? Yo, I just said 2 U's, yo. What's wrong with y'all, man? TrueTube. Yo, somebody type, is it TRU and then TUBE? Like, come on, man, I just said 2 U's. What the fuck? Yeah, but the thing about it, if you got an iPhone and you do the website, you can turn the website into an app. So you can like have an app and then it'll be the website. But yeah, he's working on the on the what's the name? No, bro. No, bro. Yo, bro, what the fuck? Yo, Blackzilla, I'ma fuck you up, yo. Yo, this nigga, okay, he corrected himself, yo. Yo, y'all funny as shit. Oh, shit, yo. Okay, Blackzilla, yo, you bet I was about to beat your ass, nigga. This nigga spelled it wrong again. Yo, y'all crack me the fuck up. Stop playing with me. Yo, he said he's making an app. He's making an app. Yeah, people need that app because, you in competition now with these major joints. So, yeah, it's just because I was laying down. Yeah, TrueTube with 2 U's, yo. Thank you, man. Thank you. I can't pin it right now because I'm about to get into this topic of why I'm even live right now. So, I'm about to get into this topic real quick of basically how to deal with, oh, it's a bad connection. Oh, let me go over here real quick. It seems that I can only sit right here to get a good connection. Is it a tripod? What's this?
A line.
It's all good, Max. It's my fault, dog. My internet messing up. It's just funny on my end because it seemed like we streaming and you don't need to do that. Yeah, just bring it right here. It seemed like we streaming, but we not. And this is like the only spot that I could get internet. So I have, if you see this background all the time, but why are you over sitting there? Why are you not outside? Where my sponge at? Excuse me. I'm just getting up. I'm on my, I just woke up type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like a cold in my eye. And just, okay. Okay, so thumbs up if we coming in clear. Thumbs up if we coming in clear. Just woke up. I be still having my pillow. I go to sleep. Thumbs up if we coming in clear so we can start. This is good. You got another one of these? What up, Malcolm? What up, Big Dread? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to deal with pain, man. How to deal with pain. I know I said in my last video that I don't blame, what happened, because a lot of people are still concerned about what's going on. So I did not address the pain that I felt. Although I see it for what it is, it's the system, and I direct my frustrations to the system. I never address the pain. And I was like thinking about what I said and everything, and I know a lot of people were like, well, damn, you still ain't address how it feels to lose your daughter, how it feels to lose your relationship. You're dealing with that pain. That has to hurt, nigga. You was with somebody for 3 years, and then they just up and leave, and then they take your daughter, which looks just like you. You know what I'm saying? Like, address the pain. Address the pain. So, in this video right here, I'm going to be telling you how I feel emotionally as far as the pain goes, and how I deal with the transition and the pain, and maybe it'll help you. So I realized that I didn't address that, and that might make you feel like, oh, he hiding the pain, or he really hurt. He hurting. Yup. He hurting. Yup. He hurt. Yup. You know what I'm saying? And I get it. I'm thinking, I get it. So I wanted to address that. And it's the same thing with my other children, right? And I've been through this before. I think it's hard for people to accept because y'all was there in the hospital with me when we had the baby. I mean, y'all was on the whole journey with me, right? When it comes to Eliana, y'all was there for the baby, right? And you seen everything, right? You seen her grow up a little bit and develop a little bit, and you were there, so you can feel it with me. You like, damn, son, like, shit, she just gone. I'm glad y'all got to experience that shit with me, and y'all been walking with me, so you want me to, I think a lot of people want me to address that pain, like, yo, what does it feel like? Talk about it, address it, we know you hurting, and don't front. And you see how I come out, I'm like, listen, this is war, this the system, blah, blah, and y'all like, nigga, right, nigga, you lost your daughter, how do you feel? Fuck out of here. So, it hurts. Even if it's the system that did it, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts to lose a friend or a companion. It hurts. It feels like death. Thankful. It feels like death. That's what it feels like. It feels like my daughter died. It feels like Eliana died. Like, it feels like I lost something. That's what it feels like, right? And depending on your astrological energy, how you will deal, right? How you will deal with emotions, right? So different people deal with pain different. Like, and the way I deal with pain in life, because this is not my first painful event in life. The way I deal with pain in life is I've used the pain as a fuel to push me forward. Not holding on to it and blaming it on other people, but learning from it. And learning what I did wrong so I can better myself or better my chances not to get into that kind of circumstances again. Point blank period. So I wanted to address the pain. It hurts, y'all. It hurts. Yes, it hurts because a lot of people like, yo, and they keep hitting my inbox. So I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just address it and this like, so yesterday I addressed it about what I do with it. You know what I'm saying? And today I want you to know that it hurts. No matter how I'm looking at it, it doesn't take away from the pain that something was severed from you. And in the Bible it says, if anything hinders you from the kingdom, if your eye hinders you from the kingdom, pluck it out. Because it's better that you pluck your eye out than your whole body be thrown in the hellfire. Now, if I pluck my eye out for the sake of my body, it's gonna hurt. If I chop my hand off for the sake of my body, it's gonna hurt. I can focus on the pain in my hand and say, God damn, this shit hurt. That's obvious. I chopped my fucking hand off to save my body. Of course, it fucking hurts. But what I keep my mind on is my body, not my hand chopped off. Now, in the process, you're gonna have to get used to walking around without a fucking hand or a fucking eye. But it was for the sake of saving your body. So please, no, yes, it hurts. That's obvious. Just got my hand chopped off. Something was there that looked like me, that I had attachment to, right? And then it got severed from me. But probably for the sake of my growth, right? So while it hurts and I have to get used to it not being there, I'm not focused too much on only it. My mind focuses on why. My mind focuses on why. And I take I don't have a hand. I lost my hand. I feel the fucking pain, but my mind is on, shit, fucking hand hurting. Damn, where the fuck I don't got a hand no more, man. I don't got a fucking hand no more. No, my mind is there, but I know y'all gotta wrap it up. I see y'all. So I don't got the hand no more, but I gotta live. I got my other arm. I got my family around me. I got responsibility. I got shit I gotta do. Yes, the hand will always be a little thing in the background that's like, nigga, you ain't got no hand no more, nigga. I want you to get a picture of how I'm dealing with it. And it's two type of people. The person that feels the hand not there and starts to really get into that and really feel the pain and make that become the whole body full of pain. And then there's the person that's like, okay, my hand is gone, but I got another hand. And that nigga needed to be gone so that I could have my whole rest of my body. Hey man, I got my arm, I got my leg, I gotta keep moving, I gotta go. Like, cause I'm here to do something, you know what I'm saying? And no doubt, even that person will constantly feel like, yo, I don't have a fucking hand. My hand's been severed. But the other person is thinking like, well, my hand was severed so that I could save someone's life. I sacrificed my hand for my own growth, and the universe wanted me to grow, so I had to sacrifice that to move forward. And so the way I'm dealing with the pain is I'm converting the pain into fuel to push forward. So, what does that exactly mean for me personally? What that means is, my daughter, what I call my daughter, which is not even mine, it's the universe's, you know what I'm saying? Like, first of all, it's perspective, right? My perspective about it, let me not skip over this, because I feel the pain, nigga. I feel the pain, like, I miss it. It was here, it's normal, I miss it. But my mind doesn't completely be ruled by the motion. My mind is, because it clicks into the healthy perspective, I'm not going to let myself just feel that pain. So what I do is, I talk to myself to have a clear mind about the situation. I don't look at it like, oh man, I lost my daughter, I lost my girl, oh man. That's one perspective. She left me, man, like I should have did this. that's always one's perspective. Then there's the healthy perspective, because remember, your feelings are vibrations of your thoughts. So whatever you think, whatever you're feeling is just a result of how you think it. So if you change your perspective, you can change your feelings, right? So my mind is always clicking to some higher perspective because I'm in my higher self. So at the end of the day, it always clicks to a spiritual thoughts. It always, like, no matter how low I get about the circumstance or how much I'm in pain about it, my mind always clicks to, but yeah, it's for a reason. The universe is divine timing. Everything is happening for a reason. And so that's what, anytime I get into a space where I'm like missing my daughter or Eliana or Nana or anything like that, my mind takes me back. It just won't let me completely indulge into those thoughts. It just always be like click, and then like it counteracts those thoughts. So for me personally, anytime those thoughts come along, I always keep a healthy perspective, meaning that my mind goes to a healthy place of thoughts. So it'll be like, I'll be sitting there, I'll be like, damn, they're not here no more, yo, like, damn. And then my mind says things to me that I teach you. It'll say stuff like, that's the past, stay in the present, look around you. Look in the mirror. Look how beautiful you are. You have your arms. You have your health. You have your strength. Count your blessings. Look at this. You have that. You have your beautiful family. Look at your life. There's people that have it worse than you. There's people where Africa has no food. Do you have food today? Can you eat today? All right, go your ass in there and eat. The universe is working. You just don't know what's going on. Something's coming for you. You need to be patient, okay? Relax, nigga. Yeah, it's a painful process because it's in the middle of the process, and you're supposed to feel this pain. Good. But keep pushing, keep moving, keep going because something's coming for you. And you know what? It's easier for me now because this has happened to me 4 times. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of understanding how the universe be moving and type shit. And you know what I'm saying? Like I went through this with Maisha and Osiris. I went through this with I was with Maisha 6 years. You see what I'm saying? That was even harder. That was crazy. So I kind of went through this. And looking back at how I got through it and how life gave me something else and something else came along and I kind of like start forgetting about the other relationship, I already know in this time that the universe is also going to do something like that as well. So for me, I'm experienced and I kind of already been through this. So it's kind of like I'm prepared. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I deal with pain. I always keep positive thoughts, quotes in my mind, and use the experience from my past to understand that the universe is always working for you. It's never working against you. Reflection. No matter what you're going through right now, I promise you, as bad as it seems, you might have feel like your eye got plucked out. You might feel like your hand got chopped off, losing this individual or losing a circumstance that you was in. But I'm telling you, the universe is working for you at all times. And you can go into a negative space. There's going to be days or times where you start to go into those negative ways of looking at things. And I'm trying to tell you right now to pull yourself up out of there and know that the universe is working for you no matter how painful things are. There is a painting being painted right in front of your eyes. Life is like a painting being painted in front of your eyes, and it's unfolding before you. And you're going to go through painful growth pains. Growth pains is what it's called, right? Growth pains. And another thing, you have to realize that you are on this journey alone. You're going to meet people, they're going to come along, they're going to leave, things are going to come, they're going to go, but it's always going to be you. So you have to love yourself and understand that the universe is working for you. It's working for you, right? And it's like a painting. Anybody ever watch somebody paint? And you know what the hell they're painting? And then as it starts to be real, and you're like, oh, I see what the fuck is going on. Allow the magic to happen. And the way you do that is number one, stay in the now. Stay right now. Stay right here. Count your blessings, my G. Count your blessings. my God, my Lord, count your blessings. You got your health, you got your strength, you got things around you going for you, you're good, you okay. You could be in a way worse place, and you have been in worse places. Relax and let the universe unfold for you. It's serving you. Right now, you don't like the way it's looking. You don't like the way it's looking, because at the end of the day, point blank period, sometimes there's going to be growing pains. So for me, it's like how I deal with it, right? At the end of the day, how I deal with it is I choose. Like right now, right? There are negative thoughts in the room. There are positive thoughts in the room. Which one do I choose to entertain? Says everything about who I am. I see all of it. You know what I'm saying? I choose not to entertain negativity. Because if you entertain those thoughts, those negative thoughts, you are in control of your mind. You're in control. You do not have to entertain the negative thoughts. Let's look at the chat room like your mind. There's a whole bunch of thoughts just going through. Just going through. There's a whole bunch of thoughts going through, right? You see the negative thought. Do you entertain it? Or do you choose positivity? I choose love. I choose positivity. I choose to see the hearts. This chat room is a lot like your mind. Look at it. And stop entertaining the negative thoughts. The more you entertain the negative thoughts, the more it'll be there. You can acknowledge it. You can hear it. But you do not have to adopt it. Point blank period. You're in control. You're in control of what you choose to entertain. And that's who you are. And see, I entertain the love, and here comes more love. Here comes more love. The love is in the building. We know that the negative thoughts will always be there in the back of your mind. There will always be the negative thoughts. Do not have to entertain them. You can even address them, right, in a positive manner, right? And so the chat room is a lot like your mind if you look at it, you know? It's a lot like your mind. Your mind is always thinking thoughts, right? What do you choose to entertain? That says everything about you. How do you choose to look at it? I'll let the negative shit pass by. I counteract it. Like if it's a negative thought that comes up in my mind, I will counteract it with a positive one. And that's what it is. Somebody says as long as it doesn't come a chatterbox. But that's what your mind is. It's a chatterbox. It's a chatterbox. And you have to learn how to focus your mind on what you want to entertain, because whatever you focus on is going to grow. It's going to grow. So, how you deal with pain, adversity in life reflects who you are to yourself. See, it's all good when things are going positive. Things are going your way. Everything's smooth. But it's not until you come under pressure, right, do you realize who you truly are. And life has shown me is I'm a very brave soul, courageous soul, and I be scared, but I still go through with it. I've been through a lot. and a lot of pain, and I made it through, and so did you. How much pain have you made it through? Look at you. You still going. You still strong. You still here. You still beautiful. You so beautiful you don't even look like you've been through that kind of pain. If you was to tell your life experiences to somebody, they would look at you like, what? How do you look that good? How do you look that beautiful? Because you're resilient. You are resilient. You are resilient. Point blank period. Nothing can destroy you. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Point blank period. You choose. You are the master of your mind. You are the master of your reality. You choose. Point blank period. I choose love. What do you choose? I love myself. Starbanks. Danae. Master Kamisha. I love myself. God is pretty. Eccentric Mia. I love myself. You see what I'm saying? I love myself. Big Dread. Celestine. I love myself. Oba. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? I love myself. I am royalty. Light and love. You feel what I'm saying? I love myself. Master Kamisha. You see what I mean? I love myself. Chocolate Dream. I love myself. 13 Star Power. I love myself. You feel? You see what's happening in the room right now? This is what happens in your mind. You give no attention to negativity. I love myself, Starbanks. I love and you get more of it. It's the algorithm of life. What you give your attention to, you're going to get more of. The other shit, if you don't give it no attention, it don't exist. It's going to fade the fuck away. That's just your power. That's your power of attention. Right? Point blank period. It's the power of intention. It's the power of your intention. Power of attention. What you give attention to grows. Become more. You feel what I'm saying? That don't mean that the negativity ain't gonna be there. That means I'm just trying to show y'all how this shit work. Point blank period. It's like the kid in school that keep picking on you. You ignore the motherfucker, or the kid in school that's being annoying, trying to get attention, and you don't give them no attention, and then guess what? They fade the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? So the universe is testing you through negative people in your life. The universe is constantly seeing. The devil is God in disguise, trying to see and test you to show you how far you've grown, to show you how much you've grown to yourself. And you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail. Don't even trip. You're gonna fail. You're gonna sometimes get sucked into the negativity. Don't even trip. Get your ass back up and try again. Get yourself up and try again. Point blank period. You dig what I'm saying? I love myself. So that's the way you deal with negativity. That's the way you deal with pain. You use it. You acknowledge it and you use it for positivity. You be the alchemist and you use it for positivity. You understand what I'm saying? Every one of you have a choice to give your attention to what you choose to give your attention to. Point blank period. You feel what I'm saying? So just know it's a negative person in your life that's trying to take you down, because that's the universe trying to test you. Everything is a test. You hear it. This is a proving ground. You just logged in. You woke back up. It's a proving ground. You're here to be tested. So there has to be a negative motherfucker in your life to show you how far along you need to grow or how far along you've already came. So please believe me, it's God in disguise. It's a good thing. Even the negative is a good thing. It's all good, trust me. The motherfucker fucking with you right now is a motherfucker that's trying to show you your weakness or show you how strong you are. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? And I don't give a fuck if you a celebrity or you a fucking regular Joe Schmo on the motherfucking street. You gonna be tested. Tests gonna come. Don't get caught up in the circumstance. Rise above the circumstance and be able to see that this is a test and stay cool. Remember, you in control of you, no matter what. And the universe knows, because you are the universe. The universe knows how to tick your fucking buttons. It knows just what to say to you to fuck with you. Trust me, your mind, your subconscious mind, you can't hide from that motherfucker. That motherfucker know just what to send to you. The person to send to you. The circumstances, the place to put you in, the position to put you in, to bring you to your core so that you can see where the fuck you weak, so that you can become stronger. And you gon' fail. You gon' fucking fail. How you deal with failure also shows who you are as a character. Get your ass back up. Just because you fail, don't be scared to get back up and try again. You're gonna fail. Fail at communicating, you're gonna fail over and over and over and over. So the fuck what? Get your ass up and keep trying. Know where you went wrong and get back at it. Take a break, take a breather, breathe, whatever. You're gonna be mad at yourself because you fucking fell. So the fuck what? Keep fucking going. But it's testing you. You might not like white people. Good. The universe gonna continue to send you white officers to fuck with you. You gonna keep getting pulled over by crackers and shit. Because you know what? It ain't about that cracker. It ain't about that white man. It's about you. And what's going on in the hurt in you. And as soon as you keep pointing the finger, it's pointing back at you. You're missing the point. It's about your growth. Everything is about you. It ain't nobody else's fault but yours. Promise you. Anything you ever done in your life is all about you. You're gonna fail. You're gonna make mistakes. Get your ass up. Don't even judge yourself. Forgive yourself because it ain't even that serious, really. No matter what you did in life, you're forgiven. Get your ass up, forgive yourself, and keep fucking moving. Yeah, you know why? Because, yeah, it's all a test. You here to be tested. It's funny to me, right? How we go to sleep, we wake up, we go to sleep, we wake up, and we never question life. Shit is funny to me. Right? Yo, do not get the negativity, no energy. Do not talk back to it. Don't give it, just keep sending love, yo. I promise you. Watch. We're gonna do the exercise right now, y'all. If everybody watching on YouTube, you might not know that it's a chat right here, right? Do not, and there's people trying to intact. If they can't get to one person, they'll try to get to another. This is how to do. Yo, just keep going. Don't even acknowledge that shit. You see it, but don't give it no energy. You feel me? Big drag, keep going. They trying to get your attention. Motherfuckers can't get no attention. If you a negative person, you get no love. You get no attention. Put the hearts in the building. Keep it moving. And this is how you deal with negativity in your life. You gonna wake up in the morning. Shit ain't gonna go right your way. Shit. You put the toothpaste on your shit and it fall off. Keep going, keep brushing your teeth, keep acting like it's good. What you pay attention to will grow. You gonna wake up in the morning, your car don't start. Take the bus. Shit ain't going your way. It's how you deal with it that says everything about your character, and that's what the universe is looking at. Keep going. Keep loving. We acknowledge. We see you, devil. We see you. You feel me? We just gonna keep going. We just not giving you no energy. I see you. I hear you. You hear them thoughts in your mind, them negative ass thoughts? Laugh. Let's get it. Keep moving. Keep going. You ain't getting no attention at all. Huh? And the shit that you say to me, that triggers me, I'm gonna use that to do the right thing. Even better. You feel what I'm saying? But you will not get me on your level. I feel what you said. I heard you, nigga. I'm just not going to respond to you. And I'm going to take the energy from the vibration of your thought and I'm going to put it into some positivity. How about that? I choose the narrative of my life. Devil, you can't even trick me. You feel me? Right. You feel me? So Practice it right now in the room right now in the chat, y'all. A lot of people are being negative, but there's a lot of positive people, and they're attacking me, and they're seeing it's ineffective, so now they're attacking people in the room. And that's how life is, you feel what I'm saying? They have to feed off something. They're looking for some kind of response. They're looking for some kind of, just keep on with the positivity. See what happened. You see what I'm saying? Have you ever went in the room and tried to get attention in the room and nobody paid you no mind? You stop fucking texting, you leave. Because at the end of the day, you looking for some kind of response that you're not getting. And if you don't feed it, then it ceases to exist. And this is just how life is. I love myself, you feel what I'm saying? So you might get up in the AM and shit don't go your way. Your child is talking crazy or something happening. Please don't let that shit get you out your frequency. The game of life is, can you hold your own? Can you hold your own frequency? There's going to be things that try to take you off your frequency and distract you. Can you hold it? Can you focus your own energy? Can you see the distraction? You know what I'm saying? And the better you get at that, the more in control of your life you become. And then when you watch yourself plainly overlook the negativity and turn that shit into positivity on purpose, and then you see that positivity start growing, you start to feel like you God. You start to realize, oh shit, I'm in control of this shit. This shit ain't controlling me. And don't be mad if you fail, because sometimes you're going to get sucked in. Sometimes the devil knows just what to say to fuck with you, to get you out of your shit. But as long as you acknowledge, oh shit, I'm out of my shit, I done fucking let this motherfucker get me out of my shit, you know what? And learn how to get back into your center. Learn how to get back into your chi. Right? What's up, Francis? Learn how to get back into your chi. Learn how to get back into your balance. Whether that be burn candles, play some music, get them on, breathe. Think about some funny shit. Think about me, put a video on, like, fuck, I'm about to go watch some shit. I'm about to go watch some shit, you know what I'm saying? But always remember, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. You fail, so what? You a work in progress. You keep going. Keep going. Keep going. The person that is playing the character, or the thing that's playing the character that is trying to distract you, is testing you. Do not pay attention to the obstacle. Pay attention to the goal. Ooh. Ooh. Do not pay attention to the obstacle. Pay attention to the goal. Don't pay attention to the obstacle. Get around. We ain't even, hey, I don't got problems, I got solutions. Okay? I don't have problems, I have solutions. A negative motherfucker always got a problem. A positive motherfucker always coming up with a solution. You ever knew somebody always complaining, always looking at shit from the... I'm an optimistic motherfucker. You tell me your problems, I'm trying to find solutions to your problems. I don't got time for the negativity. You feel me? I'm a positive individual. I'm going to look for the solution, not the problem. Negative people always looking at the problem, never the solution. I got solutions, I don't got problems. And you got to remember that. You don't have problems. Positive people, solutions. And be careful, because a negative person will drain the shit out you, because you got solutions and they got problems, and they'll sit around and try to drain you because they don't have the solutions to their own problems when you steady helping them, and you realize like, yo, this person's fucking draining me. We don't got problems, we got solutions. We fixing our shit. It ain't no problem. You feel me? Fix that shit. So many people out there being negative. You feel what I'm saying? Positive people always are optimistic, and they come up with solutions to every problem. They're finding solutions to all their problems. Negative people always got a problem for every solution. You ever seen somebody negative and you like, they call you with their problem and then you give them a solution every fucking time? You like, oh, that ain't no problem. All you gotta do is da-da-da-da-da. Oh, okay, all you gotta do is ignore that. All you gotta do is, oh, that's what it happened? Oh, shit, well, all I would do is just ignore it. And they like, oh, that's right, thank you. And they ain't never got no motherfucking solution. Point blank, period. So the live is cutting up, so what? That's why I fuck with Big Dread. Big Dread got blocked on YouTube. That nigga made his own website. And I'm going on his website. And I'm going live on his website. TrueTube.com. Big Dread kept getting blocked just like me for speaking the truth. And he went and created his own YouTube. Literally. Point blank, period. And I fuck with you for that. That's why I'm going to be going live on there, y'all. Go to TrueTube.com because I got a page on there. It's called Carbonation TV. It's really Master Chief right now. But I'm going to be going live. You changed it?
Yep.
It's called Carbonation TV on TrueTube. That man said, fuck that. TrueTube. Not True YouTube. It's TrueTube. TrueTube. I'ma pen it for you. This is the new wave. And the website is dope too. He making an app for it coming out. And he a prime example of what to do when things, you know what I'm saying, don't go your way. You could look at it the negative way. This man said, fuck, I'm gonna go create my own YouTube. And he got his own YouTube. We uploading our videos on there now. I'm gonna be going live on there. I'm going to be transferring y'all from here to there because that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to be going live on there every day. So I'm just letting y'all know. Meet me over in TrueTube. My tag is Carbonation TV. Add me up. The app is coming out soon. But right now, if you got an iPhone or something like that, you can go to TrueTube. And I'm going to let y'all know before I go live. I'm going to go live here and then I'm going to go live over there. You know what I'm saying? Point blank period. Because of these major websites, you know what I'm saying, are shutting people down that are speaking truths and stuff like that. So we got our own website. We got our own place to go. Shout out to Big Dread. They shut him down on YouTube. That man went and got his own YouTube. And I'm supporting that. I'm going to be right there. I'm going to be right. Y'all want to see me, I'm going to be over there. You know what I'm saying? So letting you know, I'll probably be streaming my life over there. Just streaming and talking every day. Because I got so much wisdom. My mind click like this all day. It just go like it ain't. I just give y'all a piece of me. You know what I'm saying? But my mind be clicking and I be wanting to be online. But I be with my family a lot. But I be wanting to be online more than I do. So I'm moving into my new location on the 1st. So at the end of the day, it's just beautiful. You feel what I'm saying? And this is what you need to go to, TrueTube.com, and make an account. I don't care if you just go there to fuck with me. Make an account there, so when I be like, yo, I'm gonna be on TrueTube, because these websites right here, they be shutting niggas like us down. You know what I'm saying? And we can't have that. You feel me? I want to stay in touch with y'all. Yeah, he a real one. So I'm about to answer some questions. Y'all send me the questions in this little thing right here. And I'm gonna answer them. It don't matter where we at, man. Master True? Somebody named themselves Master True. It don't matter where we at, man. That's weird. I'm online. That's where we at. TrueTube.com. That's a fact. That's a fact, vegan for life. That's a fact, vegan for life. How do you find your purpose? By finding your gift. Wherever your gift is, you're going to find your purpose. Whatever your passion is, you're going to find your purpose. You got to find what your gift is to find your purpose. You will never find your purpose if you don't find your gift. Once you find your gift and your passion, which is probably aligned with the same thing, because your passion is your gift. When you find your passion, you're going to find your gift, and you're going to find it go hand in hand. Then you're going to find your purpose. Point blank period. That's how you find your purpose. What am I eating? I'm eating some key lime from the tree outside. Key lime. I like eating like straight from the tree. That joint is hard. I like to, drink local water. Man, I'm not disclosing my location. That's just funny though, because anyway, moving forward, I'm gonna take some questions. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good question. How to not focus on the future, but manifest getting to nature. Don't manifest nothing. If you're manifesting anything, you fucking up. You are not in the now if you are manifesting anything. No. If you are purposely manifesting something and you have your own idea about what's going on, not to say that that's wrong. You can have because it's impossible damn near to have not your own vision. But try not to take your shit too serious. Try not to have expectations on the universe. Try to just roll with the punches. Live in the now. Don't ask the question. I got you, D-Faith. So you don't want to focus on nothing but the now. Appreciate what you have. That's your only focus is today. There's no tomorrow. There is no yesterday. There's only today. Keep your mind in today. You could do that, you're going to be a happier person. And everything that's your universe already knows what you desire and all the things that you want. Just focus your mind on the now and appreciate the now. And living and expressing yourself from right here. Right here. Right now. That's all we have. We have nothing else. So. Is it pausing again? Well, I ain't gonna talk until it come in clear. Let's see what's going on. I'm in the mountain. I'm gonna have way better internet in a minute. Thumbs up when it's coming in clear. Alright, I'm gonna start it over there. Let me see. Thumbs up if it's coming in clear. Okay, I'm gonna repeat. I just don't want to start talking until I know it's coming in clear. Thumbs up when we start coming in clear and we start streaming. Let's see. Let's try this one last time. See what's going on. See if we could get it right. Get it right. Y'all was asking me questions. I was answering the questions. Just put the questions in the joint, and we gonna continue. If you had a question, put it back in the question box. We back. Welcome back. Last time, if it pulls out this time, y'all, I'm just gonna go about my day, and y'all go about y'all's. I already said some cool shit that y'all could take with y'all, some gems. And we just gonna wait till I get to my next destination, and then I'm gonna have some way better internet. Any questions, y'all just hit me up or ask a question in the room. What up, Big Dread? Y'all go to truetube.com. I'm gonna be on there. 2 U's, true with 2 U's, TRUU. Tube.com. And make sure y'all add me on there. Carbonation TV. I'm going to be going live on there way more. So, letting y'all know I'm about to transfer my stuff over there. I was wondering, how do you get connection back to God? Connecting back to nature, knowing thyself. How do you get connection back to God? That's a really good question. Let's go with that. How do you get connection back to God? Well, first you have to realize what God is. You know, I would definitely have to ask you, do you know who God is? God is everything, right? How do you get connection back to life? That's what you're asking, basically. How do I connect back to life? Well, you got to connect back to life by eating organic food, dealing with organic people, real people that think the truth and know the truth. You have to connect back to the earth, live in tune with the planet, like your feet. The bottom of your feet are this color for a reason, because your bottom of your feet is like the bottom of a battery. It's like a node. And our feet are supposed to be on the earth. We're not supposed to be disconnected from the earth. So to connect back to God